Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making stir-fried chicken with Thai holy basil and kaffir lamb leaf. Usually we make stir-fried chicken with Thai holy basil or sweet basil, but today I like to add kaffir lamb leaf in my dish because I like to add more flavor, more delicious, and it's real spicy. Just be careful, okay? Alright, let's get started. Alright, we need chili and garlic, but I really want to eat spicy, so I need Thai chili about 10 pieces, maybe more than that. Put into mortar. We're going to finely powder the chili so that the oil come out from the chili real good, or you can chop it. And add garlic about 4 cloves or as you like. Then add one more red chili, but this one not spicy. It provides a little red color. It's okay if you don't have it. Don't worry. Then pound together. Ta-da! Now I got chili garlic. Put in a bowl, then set it aside. Okay, we need kaffir lamb leaf. We're gonna chop it. You can buy it at an Asian market. I'm going to cut its top off, then finely chop it. I need more colors, so I got sweet pepper. You can add other color as you like. Okay, now I got 2 kinds of Thai holy basil. One red holy basil. I know it doesn't look less color at all, but this is what we call in Thailand. And another one white holy basil. You will see its flower on top. We don't need it. I mean, you can eat it, but we don't need it in our dish, okay? So we're going to add both of them in our dish. I would like to make boiled soft egg to eat with stir-fried chicken. I got boiled water, then reduce the heat to low. Add a little salt, eggs in, cook about 3 minutes. After that, take them out, then soak them in cool water. Heat the pan, add a little cooking oil, then add chili garlic. Cook until nice golden brown. But you know, I smell it very good right now, so I'm going to add minced chicken in. Cook for a while, you will see the chicken a bit cooked. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, and a pinch of salt. Toss it well until all the juice is dried. But if you like it moist and juicy, you can add veggies in right now. Then you're ready to go. But I want to cook some more until the juice is gone. And then add sweet pepper. Toss it a little more. Finally, add kaffir lamb leaf and holy basil. Alright, toss this and we're ready to go. Put it in the plate. And my boiled soft eggs. You also eat with fried eggs, omelette, any kind of egg you like. That's it, we're done. Alright, that's it. My dish is just a few ingredients. It's easy to cook. So if you cannot eat spicy, just be nice. Don't complain, okay? Make a comment, let me know what you think about it, alright? Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!